In this video, I'm going to show you how to smoke beef cheeks. Now to get started, we're going to set our smoker up, but first I just need to clean it as I haven't done that since the last cook. So what I'll do is go over the cooking grate both sides with a steel wool brush, and then I'll wipe the cooking grate over with some paper towel. Then we'll open up our fire access door to our charcoal basket. Then I'll shake our charcoal basket out just to get rid of any ash off of these leftover briquettes. Then whatever's left is good to mix in with some fresh briquettes, which is what I'm going to add in now. Then I'll bury a fire lighter in those briquettes and light it up. And while our briquettes are catching light, we're going to trim and season our beef cheeks. We've picked these ones up from my butcher at Thomas Farms, and these two beef cheeks together weigh just over 1 kilo. And what we want to do now is just get rid of any excess fat and silver skin from our beef cheeks. Then once your beef cheeks are all trimmed up, hit them with your favourite beef barbecue rub. I'm just going to be using some of our beef bounce. And now our beef cheeks are ready to go on the smoker once that's ready. And after about 10 minutes, our briquettes are burning nicely. So we'll push our charcoal basket back in, shut our fire access door, close our main lid, open up both of our vents, and now we'll bring our barbecue up to temperature, which for this cook, we want to be at around 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius. All right, now we're up to temperature. We're going to open our fire access door to get a chunk of cherry wood on. Then we'll close that back up and get our beef cheeks on. And then to stabilize our temperature, I'm going to shut our intake vent down a bit. And now we're just simply going to let our beef cheeks go for a few hours until they develop a really nice color and that rub has set on the meat. All right, now after a little over 2.5 hours, these beef cheeks are looking incredible. That bark is looking really nice and they've got a beautiful color. So what we're going to do is get them into a foil tray and we'll shut our vents down. Then we'll bring our tray over to our cutting bench, place around a tablespoon of butter on each beef cheek. Then we'll pour over 1.5 cups of beef stock and cover our tray in foil. And now to make life easier, I'm going to finish these beef cheeks off in the oven at that same temperature. And we're simply going to take them until they are probing tender. And beef cheeks usually go a little bit higher, up to that 99 degrees Celsius or 210 Fahrenheit internal mark. And what I've done with our smoker is shut those vents down so any leftover briquettes in our charcoal basket we can use for the next cook. All right, and after almost 4 hours in the oven, I reckon these beef cheeks are ready, so let's probe them. All right, so they are feeling nice and soft, and as you can see, they just want to fall apart. But what we're going to do is just cover our tray back over with foil and let them rest inside at room temperature for about 30 minutes. All right, we shouldn't need any knives for this one. So soft and tender. Well, there you have it. There's how to smoke beef cheeks, and there is so much you can do with that meat as well. You can use it in pies, as a pizza topping, in pastas, tacos, nachos, and much more. Even just keep it simple, serve it on some mashed potato with a homemade gravy. Like I said, there are so many options. Now, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. But for now, that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.